how to find YouTube channel ID on mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you a really easy tool that I've created that allows you to get the channel ID for any YouTube channel directly on your phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So in order to get the channel ID for any YouTube channel, we need to first copy the URL for the channel or the URL for any video on the channel. So on mobile, if you open up the YouTube app and navigate to their channel, you can get a link to their channel by selecting the three dots in the top right and then selecting share, and then just select copy link. Additionally, you could do that with any YouTube video by selecting the three dots and then selecting share and then selecting copy link. So once you get the link to a video or their channel copied, go ahead and open up a browser and navigate to convertresize.com. This is a website I created because I wanted to be able to recommend tools that I knew were safe. So once you get here, you could just search at the top YouTube and then find YouTube channel ID finder. So once you get here, paste the URL in this little text box right here and then select find ID. And then it will give you the channel ID for that YouTube channel. It also gives you the old legacy link that includes the channel ID if you need that for some reason. So just select copy, and then you can do whatever you need to with that channel ID. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.